Welcome back to Double Displacement Reactions Week. I can't imagine how excited you must be to be working through Double Displacement Reaction Week. It's also called Net Ionic Exchange Week. This is the week of chemistry. This is the final set of reactions that we're going to be taking a look at before we wrap up Unit 8. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd. And today you'll be working on the practice problems 8-26 on double displacement reactions, also called net ionic exchange reactions. Today you'll be working through writing your own double displacement reactions. This can be tricky. I highly recommend that you check the answer key that's posted as you're working through this. So have that answer key open so that you do one, then check it, do one, then check it. Don't do the entire handout and then come back to it later and realize that you made the same mistake over and over and over. So check frequently as you're doing these to make sure you're getting them right. There are help videos posted on 8-26. Use the help videos. So if you're having trouble and you're missing the first couple of those right out of the gate and you're checking the answer key and you're making similar mistakes, take a look at the help videos. Watch a portion of the help video to guide you through it and then resume action. The goal by the end of today is to be able to write double displacement reactions on your own. Don't hesitate to email me. If you have questions that are not addressed in the help videos, don't hesitate to email, don't hesitate to contact me. We can set up a meet if you would like to do that, or we could also set up additional help videos if you're more comfortable, or we can just email back and forth, whatever works best for you. But as you're doing this, the thing you've got to do is to make sure that you're doing them correctly, that you do not practice the same mistakes over and over, because if you continue to practice the same mistakes, you're just teaching yourself to make mistakes. So learn to do these correctly as you proceed through these. You can do it. You can get this, but just take your time. Take the time it takes to watch the help videos. I would rather have you watch the help videos and do a few of them correctly than to just rush through the entire assignment, get them all wrong, and submit it. That's not the goal. That is not the goal at all. So good luck on this. I'm excited to see how you do. Have a great Wednesday.